Caterpillar 797. This is one of the largest mining trucks ever built, designed to transport loads so heavy they almost defy logic. Capable of carrying up to 400 tons of material in a single trip, it uses a massive 20-cylinder engine producing nearly 4,000 horsepower to move its colossal weight across extreme terrain. The vehicle stands over 25 feet tall and stretches nearly 50 feet long, making even other industrial machines look small beside it. Its enormous tires weigh more than 11,000 pounds each and can cost tens of thousands of dollars to replace. When fully loaded, the Caterpillar 797F becomes so heavy that its movement alone can make the ground around it feel like it's shaking. LeTourneau L-2350. This is one of the largest wheel loaders ever built, created to move enormous amounts of material in heavy mining operations. Its massive front bucket is capable of carrying over 80 tons in a single pass, allowing it to fill gigantic mining trucks in just a few movements. Powered by an engine producing more than 2,000 horsepower, it was designed to operate continuously in extreme environments without losing efficiency. The machine looks enormous from every angle, with gigantic tires and a structure that feels more like science fiction than conventional construction equipment. But what truly stands out is the raw force behind every movement. Each sweep of its bucket moves so much earth and rock that ordinary machines look tiny around it. Liebherr R9800. This is one of the largest mining excavators ever built, designed to operate on a truly massive scale. Its enormous hydraulic arm and gigantic bucket allow it to move huge amounts of earth and rock in just seconds, making mining operations significantly faster and more efficient. Weighing hundreds of tons, it uses dual high-powered engines to keep the entire machine running continuously in extreme environments. The elevated cab gives the operator a full view of the work area, while the hydraulic systems generate enough force to dig through incredibly dense terrain. But what truly stands out is the sense of scale. When the bucket starts moving, it feels like the machine is literally tearing entire sections out of the ground. NASA Crawler Transporter. This is one of the heaviest vehicles ever created by human engineering, built to transport massive rockets to NASA's launch platforms. Its size is so absurd that it feels more like a moving base than a conventional vehicle. Equipped with gigantic tracks and an extremely precise leveling system, it can carry structures weighing thousands of tons while maintaining stability across uneven terrain. Its top speed may seem slow, but it makes perfect sense once you realize the colossal weight it is moving. Every movement requires near-perfect precision, since even small inclinations could compromise the entire operation. Watching this machine move feels like seeing an entire piece of a city slowly crossing the landscape. Bagger 293. This is the largest land vehicle ever built on the planet, a machine so gigantic that it almost defies any normal sense of scale. Designed for massive mining operations, it uses a colossal bucket wheel equipped with dozens of giant buckets capable of removing huge amounts of earth continuously. Its size is so extreme that the structure stretches across a length comparable to multiple football fields lined up together. Even weighing thousands of tons, the machine moves slowly on enormous crawler tracks designed to distribute its weight without sinking into the ground. But what makes it truly unbelievable is that it doesn't simply excavate terrain. It literally reshapes entire landscapes while operating. When running at full capacity, it feels less like a machine and more like a moving industrial fortress consuming everything in front of it.